Let's take you back to the weather on Earth, though. Carol has it. Very good morning.
Morning.
Good morning. Today, some of us could reach the dizzy heights of 26 Celsius. There's a 40% chance we could hit 27 Celsius. Those temperatures would make us warmer than both Sao Paulo and also Rio. But of course, they're not everywhere. What is fairly uniform today is the pollen level. It's pretty high. We're looking at high or very high across much of the UK. So if you have an allergy to grass pollen, bear that in mind if you're stepping out. High pressure is still firmly in charge of the weather. So to start the day again, a lot of sunshine across parts of England and Wales, away from the north, because northern England has a bit more cloud around first thing, and Scotland and Northern Ireland certainly do, with some rain. Now, through the course of the day, that rain will sink a little bit further south, turning increasingly patchy as it does so, and eventually getting into northern England. And you'll find more cloud will develop across the rest of England and also Wales. So the rain will be on and off across Northern Ireland and Scotland as we go through the day, easing in intensity, and temperature-wise, we're roughly where we should be at this time of the year. Looking at 16 in Glasgow, 17 in both Edinburgh and also Belfast. Now, moving across the north of England, you can see how patchy the rain is. And then as we come further south again, after brilliant blue skies to start the day, there will be more cloud around, more than yesterday. So if you're going to any of the fixtures, for example, Edgbaston and Queen's for the tennis or Lords for the cricket, it should stay dry. Just won't be as sunny as yesterday. Southwest, though, hanging on to the best of the sunshine for the longest period of time. Here there'll be high temperatures, and across Wales too, the sunshine increasingly turning hazy through the afternoon. Now, as our front continues its descent southwards through the evening and overnight period, it will continue to weaken, but it will produce some heavy and possibly thundery showers. They'll move through quite quickly. You can see where we expect them to be by tomorrow morning. Not a cold night, in fact, quite a mild night. And tomorrow, a weather front coming in from the North Seas, making its journey over towards the Atlantic, bumping into this area of high pressure and weakening all the time as it does so. So tomorrow, for all of us, it will feel cooler. It's also going to be cloudier. Here's our weather front moving from the east towards the west. That's a fairly weak feature, but it will introduce patchy rain. And also tomorrow, you'll find there's going to be some sea fog in the Irish Sea. So in coastlines adjacent to the Irish Sea, well, you could just see some mist at times. Then for Sunday, once again, it's finding the holes in that cloud. It will be quite a cloudy day to start with, but once again, we'll see the cloud turnover and some sunny spells develop. And temperatures still pleasant, lower for some than they have been, but we're closer to where we should be at this time of the year, with maximums eking out at about 21 Celsius. Naga and Lou.
It looks good, Carol. Thank you very much.
It is just come up to 21 minutes past 8. Children as